Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into First Republic Bank easy access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for First Republic Bank. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You'll be directed to the login page. Here, you will see a field to enter your username. Type in your registered username carefully. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password associated with your account. Double-check both entries for accuracy. After verifying your information, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Click on that link to initiate the recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance. That's all you need to do to log in to First Republic Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.